So both of you are such good people, deserving of each other's love and an inspiration to us all. I have an incredible sister already, and I've been doubly blessed this evening by gaining another brother too. With that being said, I would like to raise a glass. I'd like to make a toast to Nicole. I wish you a lifetime of happiness. May God bless you abundantly and know that He is with you every single way. Mr. and Mrs. Squires.
All this to say, you're at the start of a great journey that goes on for the rest of your life. Treat each other with love and respect. Keep God integral to your lives. Don't drive too close to the car in front of you. And you two will do great. All the planning, waiting, replanning, nervously waiting, preparing, and winning has brought you to this celebrating. Enjoy your marriage. It won't be perfect, but it will be.
Nicole, I love you. You alone. You, and you shall be the one person to reign in my heart. James, the brother of Jesus, wrote that every good and perfect gift comes from above. A good and perfect gift is what you are, and I promise to spend the rest of my life treating you as such. I will dream with you, celebrate with you, and journey by your side. I promise to always strive to meet your needs, not out of obligation and expectation, but because it delights me to see you happy. Through all the hills and valleys of our lives, I will be there for you, always, as a strength in need, a comfort in sorrow, and a counselor in difficulty and a companion in joy. I promise to encourage you in your relationship with Jesus and for you to become the best woman that He has created you to be. People often refer to falling in love, but falling is never really intentional. Rather, love is a feeling to be learned, a feeling that should be intentional. That is why I promise to do my very best to be purposeful and deliberate in our pursuit of unconditional love and marriage together. Nicole, I love you. You, and you alone.
Kit, you are my best friend and nearly my husband. In the presence of God, our family and friends, I vow to be a loving and devoted wife to you. I promise to honour you and cherish you as my husband. I promise to trust you and respect you, laugh with you and cry with you, and love you faithfully through good times and bad. I promise to be your number one supporter, standing alongside you as you pursue your hopes and dreams. I promise to listen to you with compassion and understanding and speak to you with encouragement. I promise to create a home with you that is God-honouring and welcoming to all who walk in, a home where we can play music together and grow together in faith. I promise to adventure with you, sharing our love for nature and creating many happy memories. I promise to continue learning with you and grow old with you, even as time and life change us both. I am so proud to become your wife today and to be your Mrs. Squires. I give you my hand, my heart and my love from this day forward, for as long as we both shall live.
You may now kiss your bride.
like